This video is on dilations, which basically means to make an object larger or smaller. When you dilate, you can use axes or do it without an axis. Today we're going to do it without the axes. You always want to start with a dilation point. That's just the point from which you want to dilate. So the first thing you'll do is you want to measure the distance from your dilation point to your figure. I'm going to use the centimeter side. Now, I'm actually just drawing lines from the dilation point to each of the vertices, through each of the vertices, so that I can then go back and measure the distance. Okay, hopefully your lines are straighter than mine. So our first distance from our dilation point over here to point A is 20 centimeters. The distance from our dilation point to point B is 40 centimeters. And the distance from the dilation point to point C is 20. All right, so now that we know the distance from our dilation point to each of our vertices, we want to decide how much do we want to dilate this? How much do we want the pre-image to be either larger or smaller than our actual image? We're going to use something called a scale factor. For this figure, I'm going to use a scale factor of 2. So to find where my new image will be, I'm going to multiply the distance from my dilation point to each vertice. So this one, our distance was 20 to A, so to get to A prime, 20 times 2 gives us 40. So A prime will be right here. From the dilation point to point B, it was 40 centimeters. So to get to B prime, we want to go 40 times 2, which is 80. Point C, it was 20 centimeters again, so we're going to do 20 times 2, or 40 centimeters away. So I have A prime, B prime, and C prime. Now all I need to do is connect my vertices. There's A to C. B prime to C prime. And A prime to B prime. So now our new triangle is twice the size of our original, or our image is twice the size of our pre-image.